Virus research has made a huge positive impact on world health. And understanding the structure of pathogens and host-pathogen interactions is essential to develop remedies for viruses. Cryo-electron microscopy is one of the principal techniques used to understand virus structure. It has helped us understand Zika, HIV, coronaviruses, and more. However, many viruses have not been studied, and questions about their life cycles and interactions with host cells remain unanswered. But work on pathogens that pose a risk for disease requires a higher-level biosafety facility, where cryo-EM instruments are not commonly found. Our mission is to enable our customers to make the world healthier, cleaner, and safer. Developing products and services that help accelerate pathogen research using cryo-EM. Our new solution for 60 degrees Celsius heat decontamination allows the installation of the Thermo Scientific Krios G4 in biosafety level 3 facilities. Our remote diagnostics and repair capabilities accelerate support for these installations and reduce the need for physical access. Many questions about the processes that occur in the course of viral infections and the nature of the underlying hijacking of cellular mechanisms remain unanswered. Current advancements in cryo-EM and the prospect of bringing them into higher containment labs present an exciting platform to explore these questions. These studies are essential as they lay the foundation to prepare interventions against the next major virus, and we're excited to do our part to assist in the acceleration of this very important research.